Whimsical Farm Life, a joyful exploration for children on YouTube. As the sun rises, bright and warm, we wake up to the symphony of crowing roosters in our beautiful farm. Imagine a morning stroll, feeding the cheerful ducks, or petting the soft fur of the bunnies. Oh, what joy it brings! Exploring the fields, we find vegetables and fruits of every color growing, nurtured by the earth and the farmer's care. Spend the afternoon horse riding, feeling your heart race with the wind as you gallop through the golden fields. At dusk, we gather and collect eggs, while our friendly cows return, ready to provide fresh and nutritious milk. After a day full of adventure and fun, the farm goes to sleep under a starlit sky, waiting for tomorrow's sunrise. Remember, every day is a new surprise, filled with curiosity, learning, and endless pleasure on the farmland.